Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is related to the must-have makeup products for beginners, and I'll be sharing both the drugstore and the high-end products in this video. I'll be sharing the prices and from where you can get those products. And if you are a beginner and you want to buy some makeup products, then this video will be helpful for you. So keep watching till the end. So starting with the primers first, as you all know, we always start our makeup with the primers. These are the two primers which I recommend if you are a beginner. This one is by Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. This is really good for all skin types. It is easily available in market. You can get this from Al Fatah store, you can get this from Shaheen, they have their cosmetics range also, and you can get this from Vegas. It's located in Bahria town, and their one branch is in Safa Gold Mall, and the other one is Beautify by Amna's Pro Fit Primer. This is also really good. You can get this from the website of Beautify by Amna, and it costs around the actual price is I guess around 2000 something, but you can get this with their makeup deals, and this is really good. And this one, it costs around 900 to 1000 something, and these two primers are good for all skin types, so you can get them if you are a beginner. So moving towards the foundation, and if you ask me about the foundation that is good for all skin types, I would recommend this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. This is really good for all skin types, and it costs around 2800 to around something 3000. It is medium to full coverage, and it is easily available in market. You can get this from again Al Fatah store, from Vegas, and from Shaheen or any other cosmetic store. So next I am moving towards the concealers. These are the two concealers which is really good and full coverage concealers. This one is LA Girl Pro Conceal. It costs around 700 to 900. You can get this again from Al Fatah store, from Vegas, and from Shaheen also. And this one is a high-end product. This is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is also really good, and it costs around 4000 to 4500. You can get this from Al Fatah store original. Now moving towards the contour products, I personally suggest these two products if you are a beginner. This one is, you all are already aware of this. This is NYX Wonder Stick. This is really good, and you can get this from Shaheen. You can get this from Al Fatah store, and it costs around 1200 to 1500. And this one is Luscious Contour Palette. This is in the powder form, and that's how it looks like. This is also really good. You can get this from Al Fatah store, and it costs around 2600. Now moving towards the powders. This is my favorite Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Face Powder. This is really good, and I would recommend this if you are a beginner. You can get this from, I don't think so that it is available in Al Fatah store, क्योंकि मैंने इसे online purchase किया था from Cosmetic Planet page. I will tag all the page links in the description box, and this is also available at Vegas, and you can order this online from their website, and it costs around 1600 to 2000. Next I'll be sharing some of my favorite highlighters. This one by Makeup Revolution is my most favorite highlighter palette. This is Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighter palette, और इसको मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, इसलिए इसकी हालत कुछ ख़राब हुई है. And it has these 8 shades, and you can order this from the official website of Makeup Revolution. I will tag that in the description box, and it costs around 2000 to 2200. You can also purchase this from the outlet of the Makeup Revolution, and it's in Centaurus Mall, और ये different cities में कुछ malls में भी इसका outlet है. Now this is the another highlighter which is my favorite these days, and this is by Bonanza Satrangi Top Face, and I am using this in the shade Moonlight. Let me swatch this for you. I don't know if you can see this clearly or not, and it costs around 1300 to 1400 I guess, and it's easily available at the Bonanza Satrangi stores. Now moving towards the blushes, this Blush Crush by Luscious Cosmetics is my most favorite, and I use this in the shade Lust. This is in the cream form. This is really good. And you can get this from luscious.pk, इनकी पाकिस्तान में जो वेबसाइट है उससे भी, and also it is available at Al Fatah store and it costs around 1000 or 1100. And the second blush, which is my favorite these days, this is Focallure liquid blusher. I also used this in my previous videos and it costs around 700. This is really affordable and really good. Now moving towards the eye makeup products, starting with the eyeliners first. These two are my most favorite and I would recommend this if you are a beginner. This is by Inglot. This is in the gel form. That's how it looks like, and it costs around 2500. It's a bit pricey, but this is really good and smudge proof eyeliner. I am currently wearing this, you can see. And this one is by Essence Super Last. It costs around, I guess, 800 or 900 something. This is also really good and you can get this from Al Fatah store, and it's also available at some online pages. Now let's talk about the mascaras. Essence has really good mascaras range and they are really affordable. This one is Get Big Lashes Volume Curl. It costs around 600 or 700. This is really good, and you can get this from Al Fatah store and it's available on some online pages. And this is by Maybelline. This is newly launched and I have purchased this few days back. It costs around 1600 and this is also really good. I would recommend this from Maybelline, and Essence के mostly mascaras जो भी हैं वो अच्छे हैं. Now let's talk about the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to share two palettes with you guys which are my most favorite and which is must have for the beginner. First one is this Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. This is really good palette if you are a beginner, but it is a bit pricey. It costs around 6500 to 7000, and you can get this from the Al Fatah store, and also I'll be sharing some links of the page in the description box. You can get this from them. The second one is this palette by Rude Cosmetics. This is only available at Vegas. You can order this from their website also. It has really pretty shades and it costs around 3000. इसके अलावा मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन हैज़ रियली अफोर्डेबल एंड गुड आई शेडो पैलेट्स. मेरे पास एक है जो कि मैं अभी अपने साथ लाना भूल गई, सो apologies. Let's talk about the brow pomade. This is the only brow pomade which I use. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It costs around 3500 to 4000. You can get this from Al Fatah store. This is really good. Now let's talk about the eye pencils. This is by NYX and it is my most favorite. This is NYX Jumbo Milk Eye Milk Pencil, and this is best for waterline and it's easily available in market. You can get this from Al Fatah store, from Vegas, and it's available at some pages also. Now let's talk about the lip pencils, which are my favorite and which are also affordable at the same time. This is by Bonanza Satrangi Top Face. Really good, and it has creamy texture. And if you can see, and it costs around 300 to 400, and you can get them from Bonanza Satrangi stores and from their website. And the other one is by Emridge. They have also really good pencils, and it also costs around 400 to 500, I guess, and this is easily available in market. Now let's talk about the lipsticks. First I'm going to share the best liquid lipsticks, which is also affordable at the same time. This is by Vanessa Satrangi Top Fizz. This is in the shade 206, I guess. They have really amazing liquid lipsticks. The formula is really best, and you can get them from the Vanessa Satrangi stores, and it costs around 800 to 900, I guess. And this is really beautiful shade. I personally like liquid lipsticks and the matte lipsticks. Now I'm going to share some matte lipsticks with you guys, and also I'll tell you the shades. If you are looking for some affordable matte lipsticks, then I will recommend these by Makeup Revolution. They have really amazing lipstick shades. I'll be sharing some shades with you guys. This is the first shade, matte lipsticks. This is powder matte lipsticks basically. This is in the shade Rosy. Let me swatch this for you. And yeah, I have wearing the same lip shade. You can see this is really pretty shade. The next shade is, this is also their matte lipstick, और ये टूट चुकी है क्योंकि इसको मैं काफ़ी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. और ये इसका शेड है. This is really pretty shade. This is Ballerina, and it costs around, I guess ये भी, इसकी प्राइस भी सेम ही है, 800 और around 700. And this is the also really pretty shade. This is Fascination. This is really pretty red shade. You can get these from their website, and you can get these from the outlet. It's in Centaura store, as I have mentioned earlier. These were the some products which is necessary for you to purchase if you are a beginner, and which I personally use on myself, so I thought to share it with you guys. So let me know if this video is helpful for you, so I can film more videos like this for you guys. I'm also thinking to film a video on the best foundations. Let me know in the comment box if you guys are interested, so I can make that for you. Also, if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I have given below in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.